this is my camper that I made. This is a gingerbread one, and then Crew has that. He'll tell you what is it. But I have like decorations around my window and this side, and then these little
Christmas lights.
Christmas lights, and then you can't see on the other side, but if
you can turn it.
But
be very careful. Okay.
It's too big. It's just too big. So
that one just has the window.
This just has the window and some more decorations.
Okay, and Crew?
Well, it kind of looks like the tree is kind of like blowing because it's like kind of tipping over, and
Good job.
This is what the back looks like. Yeah, sorry about if we didn't do the other side. That's just how it was.
Yeah, that's hard.
Yeah,
Okay, turn it back around. So they hook up your truck.
This.
Okay.
I'm just going to put it back on.
All right. Say goodbye.